Third Eye has been a pioneer in the vehicle collision avoidance camera and vehicle Doppler radar market space for years. Commercial vehicles across the country have been relying on Third Eye products to show drivers what they couldn't see, notify them when obstacles were close, and validated a driver's in-cab behavior to provide coaching opportunities to develop better and safer drivers. Now Third Eye is developing vehicle behavioral analytics that collect engine, transmission, and body sensor data and transmit it through Third Eye's patented Hurricane Gateway to a fleet's backroom software applications. For the first time, fleet owners can truly understand the language their vehicles are speaking. A language rich in data that tells owners the health of their chassis and bodies while providing drivers with real-time tools to help them increase their productivity and safety simultaneously. For refuse fleets, immediate service verification is available to take route productivity and profitability to the next level. Soon, vehicles will communicate when parts need to be replaced, before they need to be replaced. At Third Eye, we have one vision, a vision of a connected world, yours.